at the Balm Boyette Scrub Preserve in southeastern Hillsborough County. Here we completed a project where we restored a stream that had been impacted by phosphate mining many years ago. I'm Janie Hagberg, Chief Professional Engineer in the Surface Water Improvement and Management Program. We completed construction in 2019, and we're out here today to take a look at how the project has done and the site has matured. Construction began in late 2018. We had procured a contractor to do the earthwork to prepare the site for the hydraulic carving that would take place to create the stream. Hydrocarving is the process of using recirculated water to more naturally create a stream. We recirculate water at a high rate of flow, and what that does is condense what would take decades in nature to occur in just about 6 weeks here at the site. The benefits of using hydraulic carving is that it works with the soils and the site to create a stream where it should be. It is more resilient. You work with the outcome of the flowing water and you fortify the slopes with natural structures. We used logs, root wads, and installed those as the channel was being carved. The stream is healthy, the water quality looks clear. I am definitely in favor of using this in other project sites. We're in the Alafia River watershed. We've restored this creek, what's known as Stallion Hammock, which is a tributary to Prindle Creek and then eventually to the Alafia River, which discharges into Tampa Bay, a swim priority water body. It's exciting to come out and see how the site has changed. The vegetation has grown. The species that we planted are doing well. We actually have other species that have come in naturally into the system. There are fish in the stream, there's evidence of wildlife, deer tracks. It's just wonderful to be out here and see it today. The Water Management District was the lead in design and construction of the project. We worked with our partners who include Hillsborough County, who owns the land, and they will take it over for long-term maintenance. We also had funding from the Florida Department of Environmental Protection for the project. In the Surface Water Improvement and Management Program, we implement projects that create habitat, restore habitats, and improve water quality. This project hits all of our goals while providing habitat and also treating water through the stream and improving water quality. This is an innovative project, and being part of making it happen and successfully completing it is very rewarding, and this is one of my favorite projects here at the district.